Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera kepada Tuan Hamzi yang mengajari kami di bawah session kursus DFN 50303 Open Source Server Administration. Hari ini saya dan rakan-rakan akan membentangkan mengenai problem base task. Sebelum kami memulakan pembentangan, izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Saya Muhammad Danish Irfan bin Muhammad Ikhwan, bernombor metrik 01 DDT 22F2035.
Greeting to Sir Muhammad Hamzi bin Muhammad Safian. My name is Alice Mary Anam Perempuan M. Arposami. My matric number is 01DDT22F2078. My course code is DFN 50303. Open Source Server Administration. My assessment is PBT. My group member are Muhammad Danish and Rashika Adiba. Today I am going to present about problem-based task, which is a mail server or email server is a computer system that sends and receives email. In many cases, web servers and mail servers are combined in a single machine. You work as an IT system administrator for a company, Senang Enterprise. Your task is to configure the mail server for enterprise, use the facilitate the communication of information within the company. You are required to create an account for each employee, and each employee can send and receive email from other users. Okay, my major task is install Linux Debian 12. For that, first we need to go to the Debian website and download the Debian 12 ISO image. Next, once the ISO file is downloaded, then burn it into pen drive and make it bootable. On Windows, use Ruffle tools to create bootable media. Boot the target system with the bootable media, which is pen drive. We will be presented the following screen. Okay, for Debian GNU or Linux installer menu, choose graphical install and press enter. Next, we have to select a language. So, select your preferred language, which is English, then click on continue. Next, we need to enter hostname for the system. So, we just enter Debian and click on continue. After that, we have to set up users and password. So, you need to set up password for root, the system administration account. So, for that, we have to enter secure password and re-enter password to verify. Then, just click on continue. Now, we're going to set up user account. So, we just need to enter full name for the user account. So, we just enter Rashika as a user and click on continue. Next, we have to enter password. Good password within mix of letters, numbers, and functions. So we have entered Rashika Muhammad Jofiq 04. So we re-enter the password to verify and then click continue. Next, we have to configure the clock. So we just click on select on the central and then click continue. Next, for the partition disk, so the installer can guided you through the partition as this. So if you prefer, you can do it manually. So for the partition disk, we just choose on the guided user entire disk, then click on continue. For partition disk, note that all data on the disk you selected will be erased, but not before you have confirmed that you are really want to change the changes. So we just click on continue. For the selected the partition, the disk can be partitioned using one of several different schemes. So we just choose all in one partition recommended for new users and click on continue. Next, the following partition going to be formatted. Then write the changes to this. We just click on yes and click on continue. After that, we have to configure the package manager. So for scan the extra installation media, we just click on no and click on continue. To configure the package manager, a network mirror can be used to supplement the software that included on the installation media. So use a network mirror, we just click on no and just click on next. Okay, for the software selection, we have to click on the Genome software and click on continue. Okay, then we going to the page install the grep bootloader. So to install the grep bootloader to your primary drive, then choose on yes and click on continue. Okay, finally we have finished the installation of Debian 12. So we have just to reboot, we just click on continue. Okay, now we can enter the Debian 12 with our username and password we have configured before, and then we can use the services on the Debian 12. That is from me. Thank you, sir.
Baiklah, untuk soalan yang kedua, configure email to have MUA, MTA and MDA. Use appropriate software during MTA and MDA configuration. Baik, untuk soalan yang kedua, kami telah tetapkan konfigurasi seperti di dalam gambar rajah. Kita telah masuk di dalam package configuration, postfix configuration. Di sini kita dapat lihat, please select the mail server configuration type that best meet your needs, no configuration. Pilih di sini. Apabila kita telah pilih, tekan OK. Seterusnya dia akan bawa ke paparan postfix configuration general mail configuration type di sebelah kanan bawah. Di sini dia ada no configuration, internet site, internet with smart host, satellite system dan local only. Kita perlu pilih internet site dan apabila telah merah, kita tekan OK. Seterusnya, di paparan seterusnya dia akan masuk ke dalam postfix configuration. Kita harus masuk nama untuk mail yang kita ingin gunakan. Seperti di sini, kita mengikut kehendak soalan diinginkan mail yang bernama mail.senangenterprise.com. Apabila kita dah tetapkan nama mail, kita tekan OK dan kemudian dia akan keluar paparan seperti biasalah, paparan command. Untuk kita masuk, kita perlu update terlebih dahulu. Kita masukkan command sudo apt update, masukkan password dan kita dapat lihat di sini update dan building dependency tree pun dan reading state information pun berjaya. Seterusnya, apabila kita dah berjaya update, kita perlu masuk ke command nano. Masuk ke dalam command nano dan kita masukkan my domain yang kita inginkan, senangenterprise.com. My origin sama dengan /etc/mail name, bermakna kita ingin masukkan senangenterprise.com itu di dalam directory yang kita inginkan. Seterusnya di bawah my destination, kita letakkan $ my hostname, localhost $my domain localhost, $my domain. Relay host sama dengan bawah relay host tu ada network. Kita letakkan network kita 127.0.0.0/8 www.ff/127.0.0/104.1/128. Okay, setelah kita edit di dalam nano, kita save dia dengan tekan ctrl enter dan untuk kita keluar daripada nano tersebut, ctrl-x. Okey, apabila kita masuk di dalam paparan common prompt semula, kita harus tekan sudo apt install devcode -imapd devcode -pop 3d. Masukkan password kita. Selepas itu kita dapat lihat install berjaya. Seperti sini, reading package list, building dependency tree, reading state information berjaya. Selepas itu kita masukkan semula command nano, tapi kali ini kita gunakan command sudo nano /etc/dovecode/dovecode.conf. Kita mahu masukkan di dalam dovecode punya nano. di dalam paparan seperti di bawah kita dapat lihat saya telah meletakkan protokol sama dengan IMP POP3 di bahagian bawah. Di bahagian bawah protokol kita masukkan mail underscore location sama dengan mail directory /mail directory disable underscore plain text underscore authentication sama dengan no. Setelah itu kita save seperti tadi, ctro dan enter untuk save dan ctrx untuk keluar daripada nano punya command prompt. Akhir sekali kita harus restart devcode tersebut dengan meletakkan command sudo systemctl restart devcode. Baiklah, itu saja daripada saya dan saya akan menyerahkan pembentangan kepada sahabat saya. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera from my lecturer. My name is Rashika Adiba binti Muhammad Rafiq. My matrix number 01DDT2 to F2089. So now I will continue for the part 3, which is I have to do a testing, sending and receiving between two users. So first of all, what I have to do is I have to create a user using command sudo add user1. For the user1, it's up to you to use whatever name that you want for your user, but for me, I just create the username by giving the user1 as their name. So after you add user, you have to create a new password to that user and fill all the information that needed if you want, but I just let it blank, and to confirm the information you have to type Y. And then same as the step 1, I create another user by giving name user2 and give it the new password for the user2 and give the information that needed and confirm all the information by type Y. Same step like you create the user1 before. Okay, now for the testing part, I will do a testing, sending and receiving between two users, which is here. I will create email from user1 and sending this email to the user2. So you can see at the picture below, for the first picture, I already create email by texting hello, this is a test email, and I will send this email to the user2 at sendangenterprise.com. So if you want to send email to another user that you want, you can use this command, which is at the first picture. You can type this command, and then for the second picture, you can see all information for the email that you are already sending, which is here you can see who can deliver and who can receive, what the subject of the email, and then who sent you this email and what the input for the email that we sent. Okay, now for the last part, what we have to do is we have to configure webmail using any service, which is we have Roundcube, Postfix Admin, iRateMail, and etc. But today our group is decided to use Roundcube to configure webmail. So first, what we have to do is we have to install the Roundcube service by typing command sudo apt-get install roundcube-core roundcube-mysql, and then after you already install the package, you have to go to the web browser and then type your IP address to see the connection, whether it's successful or not, and then you are done configure your webmail using Roundcube. That's all from me and my group. Thank you.